Hey, Sean.
Hey, Jason.
How do you afford a $3 million home with no money down?
It's funny you ask. There's actually a loan program that allows that.
Really?
Across the country. Doesn't matter what state you're in. You could do zero down with no county loan limit requirements. The loan doesn't have any mortgage insurance, and the interest rate's 0.5% below conventional rates. And
I mean, how do you get a hold of something like this?
well, it's super simple.
Yeah?
There's only if you think of any zero down loan program, down payment assistance, things like that, there's going to be some type of restriction.
For sure.
This one, you don't even have to be a first-time home buyer.
Wow.
The only requirement is that you've served in the U.S. military or are currently serving in the U.S. military. Just a VA loan.
It's a VA loan.
It's the best loan in America. Like, I was going to join the reserves just
to get
because
the
I
loan.
wanted to use the loan benefit. But one, I'm too old, and two, you have to be in the reserves for 6 years before you're eligible for the benefit. And I'd be 50 years old by then.
Well,
They're not going to let
that's
me
still
in.
pretty young.
They're not
I'm
going to let
older
me
than
in.
that, so I know.
They're
But
not
so, I
letting
mean,
me
look at
in.
the shape you're in. So, but yeah, Sean knows more about VA loans than anybody else, and that's why I wanted to bring it up. I mean, thank you for your service for sure. And if you guys are thinking about buying a home, by all means, reach out. Sean knows all about this, and it really is amazing the programs they can do.
And why it's important to me is, and the reason I present it the way we just did,
Yeah.
we're joking, but I'm not joking, is most often, unfortunately, a lot of real estate agents don't understand how the program works.
Mm-hmm.
And if we don't understand how something works, like as a listing agent, if you don't understand how the loan program works, you're not going to encourage your client
That's a great point.
to look at it, right? Like,
Yeah.
I need to guide you through which offer is best. This is a VA loan. I've heard, 20 years ago it was this and that.
Yeah.
So let's not go VA, let's go conventional. So
Right.
in a roundabout way, it's not intentional, but we're discriminating against veterans.
100%. And the more you educate yourself, because those loans are solid.
Oh, the easiest.
So it's better for a seller.
100%. And the reason a lot of real estate agents don't understand them is because 20 years ago was entirely different than it is today.
Yeah.
The seller had to pay all the closing costs. There
Yep.
was all these fees. You had to have any
Repairs, all kinds of
repairs
stuff,
done.
yeah.
The seller had to pay for it. It was like,
Yes.
seller, the veteran has no
I've
responsibility.
experienced a lot of that, yeah.
And
back
that's all
then.
gone.
Yep.
None of that exists. You can close in 18 days. It's so simple. The only
Amazing.
requirement, this is the only requirement, is that any Section 1 repairs on the termite report
Mm-hmm.
be done prior to closing.
Okay.
But even the VA didn't even say that had to be done. But that's
Okay.
what we believe is the truth. The only thing the VA actually cares about as far as home repairs go is active infestation of termites or beetles.
Okay.
So in California and the Bay Area, the reports...
And the seller has to pay for that still? No, seller
No.
does not have to pay for that.
No, so what we do with our clients is...
They just want it done before closing.
Yes.
Okay.
But Section 1 can be fungus, termites,
Yeah.
beetles,
Dry rot.
dry rot, thank you,
Yep.
dry rot. The VA says, hey, if you show us a report that has all those things on there, we're going to ask you to repair them.
Mm-hmm.
And you're like, okay, check. They're like, we never asked you to show us that report, though. They have a one-page form called an NPMA 33, one-page VA termite report form, and the first box says, is there any evidence of there is no evidence of active infestation. If that box is checked and signed by the inspector, we're done. So I'm not saying we should hide or withhold things,
Right.
but if the report that we have is the NPMA 33 for the purpose of the VA loan, and there is no active infestation, we're done.
I like
Super
it.
simple.
I like it.
Yeah.
Guys, reach out anytime. Sean knows the stuff. I know my stuff too, but I only know my stuff more because I'm
glad we're learning together. We're learning
I feel like
together.
Sean knows so much. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Jason Caskie, Coldwell Banker.
Sean Herrero, Cross Country Mortgage.
Thank you guys for watching. Take care, and we'll
you
see
soon.
you soon.